Hello my people, so we're back here again today. What are we having today? We're making our EDIKAIKONG Soup. We're going all the way to Calabar, Akwa Ibom, Uyo, Efik. This is at the delicacy, by the way, so let's visit that region today. We have here with us our water leaf, our pumpkin leaf, popularly known as ugu. We have our crayfish seasoning, protein of your choice you could use, anyone you want. I'm using today charcuterie stripe and beef. I have onions here with me. I have red prawns, smoked red prawns. I have here my Cameroon pepper and my red chili. I would like to do an infusion of red chili pepper and Cameroon pepper. It helps my game in the kitchen. I have my panla fish. Of course, you're using any dry fish of your choice, but I'm using pig fish, probably known as panla fish, and call it or lemmy, like our Igbo friends would say. We have here our periwinkles and of course our grounded dry crayfish. So guys, let's see how we do it. And this is our red bottle of fresh, lovely, tasty red oil. Quick one here, guys. It's very important for you to use a good red oil. It helps your game in the kitchen. It helps your edikaikong. If you don't get the right red oil, trust me, guys, you're already dead on arrival on this your pot of soup you're about cooking. So always make sure you get yourself very good red oil. Lesson 101. Right, let's jump right into the soup of the day. All right, guys, today's soup is officially open. And what do we start? We start with, I'm using a meat stock in the pot. I'll firstly put my water leaf. Yeah, so guys, we have our water leaf in the pot right now. So what I normally do, people have different styles of cooking this their edikaikong. What I've been able to deduce over time as I've cooked the soup is I normally like to put all my proteins in the soup while it soaks in all the juice from the water leaf. You see edikaikong, you don't put it anywhere. Edikaikong, you just put you use the water that you realize from the water leaf initially. That's what you use to cook your soup as a whole. So guys, I'll be putting my stockfish and my dried fish of my choice here. This is our protein of our choice. Adding our smoked red prawns now. My soup must have 7 lives, though. I don't compromise, trust me, guys. So I put in my crayfish too now. So guys, what we have here is our Cameroon pepper and our red chili pepper. Our seasoning cubes. I'm intentionally putting all these things basically. This is our salt so that it gets infused with the juice of the water leaf. What is your soup without crayfish maggi? I use crayfish maggi intentionally for all my African traditional soups. I always say one day I'll be an ambassador of maggi. From my mouth to God's ears, right guys? Yeah guys, putting onions is optional if you want, but I think I just like putting the onions so that it just gives it a different taste, if you know what I mean. So guys, I'm putting my red oil, a little bit of it firstly, then of course so guys, I'll be stirring my everything together and bring it to a boil. Like I said earlier, I'm going to use the juice of the water leaf to cook my soup. I'm not adding any water. Water leaf has the name connotes water leaf. It has its own water, its own juice. Let me not use the word water. Guys, check out the color. This my soup get 9 lives though. I bet you nothing. So guys, let me know in the comment section, what will you be using to have this soup? Is it fufu? Calabars will use fufu, but you could equally use semo, amala, eba, be it yellow gari or white gari. Okay guys, so we'll allow it to bring it to a boil. We'll have our ingredients inside, so we'll bring it to a boil and see how it goes. people, can you see the water? Can you see the juice? So that's why I say you don't need to add any water when you're making your edikaikong. The water from the water leaf will do justice to it. Will give you the water you need to get your soup to a reasonable, tasty point. Look at that, guys. We are boiling our water. Fufu, make am, semo, make am, eba, make am. Make it a good pari pasu. My mouth is already getting watery. I'm salivating already. So they're putting our pumpkin leaf now, popularly known as ugu. Guys, don't mind my full pot though. I tell you, within the next 2 minutes, when I stir it now, you won't believe that it's the same pot I used. It's going to shrink. So guys, voila! See the magic now. It looked like it was so full initially, guys. I'm sure some of you were worried that this woman pot small. Like I told you, it will just shrink. So I'm going to be adding my red oil now. So guys, I'll be adding my red oil again, so that the cook can absorb some red oil too. See guys, I told you it has gone down. So we're going to stir again for the oil to go around and the ingredients to go around too. I cannot wait to make my swallow. Guys, which swallow will you be having? Let me know in the comment section. I think I'll be having soft, succulent fufu. That's what a typical Calabar person would use. Calabar is somewhere in Nigeria. This is their favorite dish, edikaikong. I'll show you guys how to make afang and that my video coming soon. Like I tell you, I bring about information, education, and I probably inspire you. Learn one or two things in this video. Please do so well to like, share, and subscribe. So guys, I'm putting my periwinkle next. Quick one, guys. Your periwinkle's infusion, make sure you put it lastly, and it doesn't have to stay in the pot and stay on the fire for too long, because it could easily melt. So I'm adding my periwinkle to just up that game. This is your typical Efik style I just showed you guys here. What's edikaikong without periwinkles? Guys, so I tell you, your edikaikong is ready, and I hope I've not confused you but convinced you that if you want to have your tasty, delicious Efik traditional edikaikong, just follow my steps I showed you guys and you're good to go. So guys, I hope I'm going to bring to your doorstep, show you the easy steps on how to make your EDIKAIKONG soup. Here on, I can just show you guys how you could achieve your easy steps on how to make different Nigerian soups in your kitchen. You don't have to break the bank, you don't have to do so much. I want to always bring you inspiring, educative, and entertaining content here on. So this is our EDIKAIKONG straight from Efik kitchen, straight from our Calabar continent. I'm saying continent. Can you imagine? Don't mind me, Joe. Anyway, our Nigerian soup, traditional soup, but this is a Calabar delicacy. A Efiks cook it, Akwa Ibom's cook it, Bibios cook it, and anyway, guys, once you get Calabar, choose where you think Calabar is from in Nigeria. This is where they cook the EDIKAIKONG soup. Check it out, guys. Rich EDIKAIKONG of 7 lives. And they see them. Let me go and make my fufu. So guys, this is our fufu that is here. I'm going to do one. I'm watching my heights. Press it down. That is how to eat better food. Or let me do 2, Jerry. No forming zone here. I beg. Man, we work must chop. After there's so much waste effort in the kitchen, why not go work my fufu? Just have to. So guys, like I said, let me know what you are having with your EDIKAIKONG. Press it down. Alright guys, so now straight to my pots. Make a put my EDIKAIKONG. Chida Shaki. Oh my god. Bagam. The see and so look for beef. Baga again. Can look for prawns. This my EdikaikongRecipe na obstacle. Baga again. Let me not overdo this. So guys, bon appetit. Like what you see, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.